Hello YouTube. It is Burbazooka. The way of washing, which is known by the units. The linen will be snow white and fragrant. In our time, modern technology greatly facilitates the washing process. Machines make for us all the most time-consuming and time-consuming work. However, the key to successful washing also depends largely on the choice of detergent. And here at many mistresses there can be difficulties. After all, not all agents are as good as they are said in advertising. Unfortunately, not everyone knows about one inexpensive, but effective product that is sold in any grocery store or supermarket. It's about white wine vinegar, which brings the efficiency of washing to a new level. Next, we will consider the use of vinegar when washing more. You should understand that vinegar does not replace a detergent, powder, gel or liquid for washing, but it makes it more effective. So, let's look at the main advantages of using white wine vinegar when washing. Before the beginning of washing, it is necessary to prepare things, having put on them about half a glass of vinegar. This simple move allows you to keep the brightness of colors and avoid soap divorce by reducing the amount of soap foam, which often remains visible on the surface of dark fabrics. Next, you need to pour a little white vinegar in the special compartments machine designed for fabric softener. Unlike chemical softeners, wine vinegar is made from natural ingredients, so it acts less aggressively on the fabric and is not so harmful to the environment. Vinegar contains an acid that is gentle to the fibers of tissues, but at the same time destructive for particles of dirt. Therefore, when using vinegar during washing, stains even with white clothes are much better removed. If the soap spills from the detergent are still bothering you, you can add a little vinegar, 100 milliliters will be enough, during the rinse. In this case, the probability of the appearance of stains after the completion of washing will be minimized. Strange as it may seem, but vinegar deodorizes things when washing, completely neutralizing any unwanted odors. Do not worry, the pungent smell of vinegar itself disappears when rinsing. If the stain on the fabric is strongly stale, then the thing must be placed in a container of hot water, adding there half a glass of vinegar and leaving it for the night. Then these things can be washed as usual. In the case of stubborn stains, it is possible to fill the spot abundantly with vinegar and rub it with effort, then do all of the above at this point. Wool and some other things accumulate static electricity. If such clothes are soaked for half an hour in water, adding a few tablespoons of vinegar, the charge will not accumulate in the tissues. Domestic wool for some is the real problem. After washing and drying, small hairs remain on the fabric, adhering tightly to it. When using vinegar during washing, this will not happen. Table vinegar also prevents the formation of scale and scales on important parts of the washing machine, so when using vinegar for washing, the need for periodic cleaning of the silica with special chemicals disappears. Using ordinary wine vinegar allows you to get rid of various kinds of softeners and air conditioners that pollute the environment with harmful chemical elements and adversely affect the human body. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.